Hi viewers, welcome to EQC Media.
Kindly subscribe our channel to get regular price updates of agri commodities, spices and vegetables in India. Kindly share this video to your friends and farmers and relatives. Now we are going to see turmeric wholesale price in various parts of India. Now we are going to see turmeric price in various parts of Andhra Pradesh. Marketplace Warangal, turmeric finger price 55 rupees to 61 rupees per kilogram. Turmeric bulb price minimum rupees 55 and maximum rupees 61 per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Nizamabad, turmeric bulb minimum price 68 and maximum price 69 rupees per 1 kilogram. Turmeric bulb double polished minimum price 77 and maximum price 78 rupees per 1 kilogram. Marketplace Nizamabad, turmeric finger price minimum rupees 74 and maximum rupees 75 rupees per 1 kilogram. Turmeric finger double polished minimum 84 and maximum 85 rupees per 1 kilogram. Now we are going to see turmeric wholesale price in West Bengal. Marketplace Jangipur, turmeric finger price minimum 70 rupees 80 paise and maximum 71 rupees 90 paise per 1 kilogram. Total arrival 37,000 kilograms. Now we are going to see turmeric wholesale price in Maharashtra. Marketplace Basmat, turmeric minimum price 66 rupees 31 paise and maximum price 78 rupees 81 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 2,94,000 kilograms. Marketplace Bokar, turmeric minimum price 39 rupees 11 paise and maximum price 64 rupees 12 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 12,000 kilograms. Marketplace Hingoli, turmeric minimum price 64 rupees and maximum price 68 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 10,000 kilogram. Marketplace Mumbai, turmeric minimum price 90 rupees and maximum price 150 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 4,000 kilograms. Marketplace Purna, turmeric Rajpuri minimum price 56 and maximum price 70 rupees 90 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 1000 kilograms. Marketplace Sangli, turmeric Rajpuri minimum price 60 and maximum price 110 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 11,11,000 kilograms. Marketplace Risot, turmeric price 63 rupees 25 paise and maximum price 72 rupees 27 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 2,73,000 kilograms. If this video is useful, kindly like and share this video to everyone. If you have any doubt, kindly comment below this video.
Thank you for support and watching the video.